Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro dollar monthly, the euro has been very, very weak as you can see. Just kind of a slow drift down, but boy, it definitely just keeps on going. It's pretty much to the point now where I would say it's basically confirmed that this is like a wave A, this is a wave B, and we're probably going to go down and make a wave C, retest these two lows before we actually do go back up, making that bigger move to the upside. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. Like I said, very, very strong move to the downside on the euro. I was definitely originally kind of thinking that this right here was actually an expanding flat wave C, but most likely it is a wave A. Most likely it is a wave B, and we probably are going down for that wave C. We've been contemplating this scenario for months now, and it looks like it is finally playing out, that it is pretty much proven that this is what's going on. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily, ever since we broke structure about 2 weeks ago, we definitely should have been looking for sorts. We had a perfect little end of a trend right here. So once you get a change of direction, a change of character on your higher roadmap time frames, that's the cue to tell you to start hitting it heavy on the shorter time frames, looking for sorts in a downtrend. I still think at some point it's probably going to have to make a pullback like a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, but the trend is your friend, and there's still no signs of the wave 1 even being over yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're still making lower lows, lower highs. The last major correction is still right here. Ever since that point right there, this is the low high, low high, low high, low high series that I'm looking at. And as long as the market continues to make that low high series, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. I would prefer to see this structure right here broken before I would even turn back into a long, looking for longs that is. But if it does go up, if it does break this structure, then perhaps I could turn you into a buyer while you observe the market to see if it does this, or to see whether it does this and breaks this major structure that we're waiting for. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, since the last end of a correction way back here, this is all lower lows, lower highs on the 4 hour time frame. There's been a lot of opportunities to go short. There's been 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go short, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go short, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks, 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. So there's definitely been opportunities basically every single day to take a short opportunity. And the trend is your friend. I've been telling you for weeks now that you should be looking for shorts in a downtrend. So if you've been following along with my videos, then you've definitely been shorting this thing pretty much the whole way down. Now, like I said, if it does go up and start breaking some of this substructure right here, then, as a short time frame trader, you could start looking for longs at that point while you learn whether it makes another three-way pullback and another impulsive move down, or whether you learn if it makes a like 1, 2, 3 and eventually goes up and breaks this major structure. This major structure back here is still the structure that's going to tell me that the wave A or wave 1, probably wave 1 likely now, will be over on like the 4 to 8 hour time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.